What's up, everybody? Welcome back. This is going to be part 4 of the 1400 Supra build. We're getting right into it. We're starting with the hood locks. We're going to be working on the front end on this video. All the small accessories, hood locks, the little support for the bumper in the front, condenser, radiator, intercooler, just plugging in the small sensors here and just filling in all the gaps for the front end, and then we'll start with after that we'll go into the transmission part. But yeah, I want to get the whole front, all the AC lines and everything done before we move on to the bigger stuff. This little stuff is a lot of details, and we got boxes of parts that are pretty much a puzzle putting it together. So yeah, a lot of cleaning in between because everything's full of dust and stuff, so I want to make sure I take my time. Check out the bumper support bar here. Check out this dress-up bolt kit with the red. Look how it looks. Very, very nice, man. This paint makes me jealous, man. I kind of want to repaint my car after this. This paint is flawless, man. I love it. It's looking real good. The black and the red looks amazing. Loving it. Yeah, this is gonna be very nice. Check that out. Big old turbo. The housing, once it's, I'm assuming we're gonna powder coat it black. It's gonna look sick in there, man. Guys, check out that crash bar. Man, it's a shame that thing goes behind the bumper, but even that looks freaking amazing. Crazy, man. The black and red on this car looks very, very clean. This thing's making me jealous, man. I know I keep saying that. Got the condenser installed. Gonna be doing the AC lines now. All the little AC lines and all the little fittings. Gotta figure out that little puzzle now. I'm gonna lay here and sit down here and put all that stuff together. I know it's a little time consuming, and then we'll keep on from there. But wanted to throw you guys in, man. All right, all the AC lines are completely on. Check that out. Let's bring it down here so you guys can see. All connected there, down here, around here, all the brackets are on. Back to the compressor, all the condensers on. Moving along here, moving along. All right. Check out this behemoth of intercooler. Oh man, this is a big boy. That is bigger than the one in my Supra. That's a 6-inch. Or I'm sorry, not 6-inch, 6-roll. Hardware's here. ETS. Big boy stuff. Guys, this mother effer is big. Check that out. I thought my 5-roll was big, but this just takes it to another level. It kind of pushes back that evaporator can or whatever it's called. I didn't see a spacer provided by ETS. I put it on these little black washers that I had there, because you have this little groove here, and the, you know, the bracket is here, and if you push on it, it's obviously it's gonna bend it. So I kind of put in that, kind of to make it like a spacer. It sits very flush. So I'm not sure if ETS intended for a spacer to come, but definitely wasn't in there, so I put that in there. This is the other side. Yes, I took out the cardboard out of the back. I'm gonna leave the front so it protects it. I had to remove the crash bar because it wouldn't go in there. I'm gonna try to put it on, but I don't even know if that thing, you know, clears it. Well, I was gonna leave the cardboard in front to protect it, but that crash bar literally holds it in place. There's no space to leave the cardboard there, so it's either on or take out the crash bar later. So yeah, off it came. Check that out, man. Crazy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another clip here. First of all, before we start, Merry Christmas to everyone. It's Christmas Day. Put some time into this, to the Supra. I want to get it done. It's coming along, and you know, you're at that point in the stage of the build that everything's just nicely just falling into place, and everything's just kind of going in there. So it's got me a little excited to finish this. Yeah, guys, pulled it out to under the little carport here. And the sun hits this thing, man. It's just that black and the red pops a lot, man. I'm excited for this car. All right, gonna be doing the radiator and the fans just to kind of keep everything there, just to see where everything's gonna fall into place. Just for the little stuff, so we can know how to route them. Got the radiator and the brushless fan setup. These are nice, man. I hadn't seen these in person. I mean, I had seen them just like obviously just the covered strap, but I hadn't seen the backside where they look like. These things look like, they look like animals, man. They look like they're impressive. A lot nicer than those other stuff, but might have to be an upgrade for the future for the Supra, that's for damn sure. All right, guys, check it out. Dropped it in already. Been doing a couple little things, putting on some screws, filling up some holes here, like doing the dress-up bolts here to cover up these holes in the chassis here. I think it looks nicer with the bolts and just the plain hole. Also mounted the overflow can. You know, it's probably gonna have to be moved around, but just kind of seeing what we have to work with. You can see it's right on top of the hole, so might have to move that hole around once the fab guy gets to it, but we'll see. If not, maybe the 3D engineering, I think, has a smaller overflow can like mine. So we'll see how the owner, how Roberto feels about it first, then we'll get his opinion on it. Yeah, we're probably gonna start jacking up the car and start checking under, see what I could do. I'm gonna start taking off all the pieces that I have left to see what I have left to do. Just kind of like when you look at them, you know, this goes here, this goes there, type of deal. Back. So what I did so far is I separated, like, into this little box what's gonna be used for like the manual transmission and manual stuff. So when the transmission comes, and it's probably gonna be the next video, by the way, we're gonna do the transmission install, and we're gonna have all the bolts already ready for that. As far as everything here that you see on the table, it's just missed parts. Like here's like you know, all these guys, they did a pretty good job labeling all the stuff, like horns, but you know, he bought new ones, so I already installed those, kind of tucked away, but then the brackets down just in case he wants to put a cover down here. You know, he can fit it on there perfectly fine. Everything else is just like little miscellaneous stuff. I gotta get one of my, see there's like an antenna delete here, but the factory antenna is back in the car, so I don't know if you have to change your mind or what. Just rear target stuff, that kind of thing. Just, you know, dress up bolts, just regular bolts. Yeah, guys, just a lot of little miscellaneous stuff. These are just parts of like brand new OEM stuff. A lot of it is you know, repetitive stuff. It's not stuff that's accessory. It's just like a lot of clips and a lot of plastic stuff, more for like the fender liners and stuff. Wipers, you know, moldings, that kind of stuff. You know, it's nothing crazy. But realistically, most of the stuff is already, I don't have anything else. The only thing that I have left is a fuel system, which I have inside, and I gotta have him bring me the transmission, fuel tank, and I think that's it. Dry shaft exhaust, that's all he has left. And obviously the, you know, hood, bumpers, and and the fenders and stuff. But I'm gonna close out the video here. I'm probably just gonna put the car up on jacks just so it's ready for transmission install in the next video, and that's probably gonna be you know, a whole nother video, because I don't want me mixing too many things as far as just like little accessories and transmission install, and it keeps it funner, and it keeps more content coming this way. So yeah, guys, you guys are, I'm seeing the good feedback so far. Everybody's enjoying the series. Remember, guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later, guys.